Good morning guys and welcome back to another vlog. Today it is March 21st. It's like 11:30 in the morning. I woke up around an hour and a half ago, so I just literally been laying in my bed scrolling through TikTok and watching Criminal Minds. But I said I was gonna try and vlog a lot while we are on this corona-cation, but I just feel like I'm not that interesting. So I decided I'm gonna pick up the camera and vlog today because I just need to, and y'all are bored at home, so am I, so why not produce content that will maybe make you not so bored. I slept in the sweatshirt. I wore it yesterday, took some cute Instagram pictures, so go check that out on my Instagram if you want to go see it. It's at Caiti_Mackenzie, and I filmed like 2 really funny TikToks, so go watch those as well, same as my Instagram username. I need a shower. My hair is kind of greasy. I didn't shower last night, so like I need to wash my hair, but my mom said we might go on a hike today, so I don't want to shower and then get sweaty if we go on a hike. I gotta wait for that. I actually haven't been upstairs today. I have not left my room nor my bed. I mean, I brushed my teeth, but that's it. Corona-cation has made me literally like not do anything. I just wear oversized baggy clothes and that's it. Lots of people ask me if I took my driver's test already on Instagram or TikTok, DMs, all that kind of stuff. And no, I have not taken my driver's test. If you did not watch my last vlog, I was supposed to and I didn't. I did not reschedule it for the Blue Ridge DMV because that's where I'm staying right now in my mountain cabin, if you haven't been keeping up with me. I was supposed to take it in Atlanta and then it got canceled because of the coronavirus, obviously. And I can reschedule it to take it in the Blue Ridge DMV, which is where I'm staying in my mountain cabin, but I haven't rescheduled it yet because I don't have my car up here. I would have to take it in my mom's car, which I just am not familiar with driving that car like at all. I'm so used to driving my tiny little car and her car is like bigger than mine, so I need to practice and then I can take it with hers. First, to make me feel a little bit better, I'm gonna put some dry shampoo in my hair. I'm not gross, but like I literally haven't left my house and like this is just one day hair, like it's not even that greasy, but I wash my hair every day. And I know like washing your hair every day is bad for you, but when I don't wash my hair every day, it gets greasy and then I'm like, ah! This is the dry shampoo I use. It's Batiste. I got it off of Amazon. It works, I think. It just turns my hair like kind of white. Like, I don't know if y'all can see it, but it has like a white cap. I don't even know if I'm doing this right. It makes me look like I have some gray hair, but I just kind of go like that and call it a day. There's a lot of influencers that I watch like their daily vlogs and they don't wash their hair for like 4 days. They're always like, yeah, this is my 4-day hair. And I'm like, it looks so good and not greasy at all. How do you do that? And now we're gonna put on the deodorant, Old Spice for the win. The only thing that smells good and keeps me fresh all day. I love this stuff. And it's like gel, but it's not the weird gel, it's like the cool gel. I actually took a break from watching Criminal Minds for 2 days. I watched All American season 2, and if you have not seen All American, like season 1 or 2, season 2 just came out on Netflix. It is such a good show, like I highly recommend. Season 1 I think was way better than season 2, but it's just a good show. All the actors are so attractive. The girls, the boys, the parents, they're just beautiful human beings. It's crazy. The show is also really amazing and it's done really well, and it's based on a true story. I would recommend that. I finished season 2 in 2 days. So we're back on Criminal Minds. I also wanted to just do a little update on the phone cases. If you guys did not see, I launched phone cases on my shop, on my merch shop. If you want to get them, you can click the link down below. But there was a little confusion going on that I saw on like across my social media platforms. People were like, why don't you have this size for the iPhone? Why don't you have this size for the iPhone? I have every single size for the iPhone. So there's the Katie's Corner Sunflower case, and then there's a Katester's case. And on the website, it's divided in 2s. So there's 2 different ones that you have to click for the Katie's Corner. There's a phone case for iPhones 5 through 8. So if you have an iPhone 5 through 8, you would click on that one. And then there's one from like the iPhone 10 through 11 Max X Pro, whatever the newest one is. And when you're shopping, you'll see it says Tough next to each phone case. And that's because this is called like an iPhone Tough case because it's a hardcover case. But then there's like a softer bumper on the outside that keeps it protected. A bunch of y'all have already bought them, which is really cool. This is honestly one of my favorite products. It keeps your phone so protected and it's just really pretty. So if you guys want to shop them, click the link down below. I think you'll really like it and we can match and it could be cute or whatever. I'll try and look into getting more kinds of phone cases, but for right now it's basically just iPhone. With that being said, I'm gonna watch Criminal Minds now. Yee! So it's 1 now and we just got takeout from a local place, but this is my buffalo chicken salad and my french fries, and now we're gonna grub because I haven't eaten anything all day. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Salad. Cappy, hello, hello. I actually just got out of the hot tub and I totally forgot to vlog in there because I left my camera upstairs. I like going in the hot tub sometimes just to clear my mind if I'm like bored or stressed or bored. So I just kind of sat in there for like 15 minutes and just took in the view. The view from the hot tub is beautiful. I've been posting it on my Instagram story and my Snapchat story a lot. If you don't follow me there, you're most definitely missing this beautiful view. So now we're gonna go upstairs and see what my dad is doing. I honestly have no idea what he's doing, but I want to hang out with him. It's actually really cold out here. You can see my hair blowing in the wind. It's 61 and it feels like 30 degrees, but as soon as you go in the sun, it's so much better. I've just been sitting out here with my dad for a little while. I really don't have anything to do today and we can't go anywhere, so surprise! I have this super soft blanket. It's actually my mom's and Jamie's mom got it for her for their Secret Santa, and it's literally the like softest thing ever. It's like velvet, crushed velvet, and it's rose gold. It's very pretty. Can you even hear me? Because it's like really windy. Where's Cappy? Cappy! Hello, baby. Hello, cutie. She's a cutie. I have no idea where Mello is. Thumbnail. Y'all, I bought my dad AirPods for his birthday in February, and he just told me they're like his favorite things ever. He uses them nonstop, so that just made me feel good because AirPods are extremely expensive, and I knew he wanted them, but I didn't know if we'd like them. He loves them, and he put this cute little case on it from Amazon, so I'm so happy he loves them. My head is definitely cut off in this angle. It's okay. I miss Cole. I really want to see him. We're talking about him coming up here. His mom won't let him drive up here because it's far and it's in the mountains. So like, I get it. It stinks though, because like I want to see him. My dad goes back to Atlanta like a few times a week to work, so maybe when he like goes down there, Cole can come up with him. That's what we're hoping. I don't know though, but I miss him and I need human contact that I'm not blood related to. Aside, we're just jamming to some country music, but that's my little update. Go shop the phone cases. Here's my mom and Cam coming up on the four-wheelers. Oh, there he is. Hey, Cam! And there's my dad with a chainsaw. I am confused. Oh. I just put on makeup for like literally no reason. It's 6:15 and my guess is we're gonna eat dinner soon, but I'm going to end this vlog. I'm going to be filming a video tonight, so I don't want to continue this vlog, but thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed Quarantine with Caiti. Maybe that should be the name of the series. Again, today was chill, but I don't want to portray my life as something it isn't, and this is what I've been doing. Watching TV, getting ready for no reason. Stay safe, stay happy, stay healthy. Wash your hands, please. Also, if you want, go check out the merch, phone cases, and anything else. Also, I put this stuff that I put on my cheeks on my lips, and it's a really pretty color. Blush, but I put on my lips, and I really like it. Also, I have this stubborn pimple on my lip. That's all. I love you guys, and hopefully you will catch me somewhere else on the internet, whether that be my Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, main channel, vlog channel. I'll be posting a lot, like I said, so click those post notifications and subscribe down below. I love you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace in the Middle East.